Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at libertyfaithgear.com, an online store that claims to sell faith-inspired clothing and patriotic accessories. It sounds lovely on paper, but the real question is whether this site is actually legit or just another digital mirage. Let's break it down step by step, starting with the reviews, which are about as uplifting as a root canal. Users on Facebook and other platforms are already sounding the alarm, reporting rock-bottom trust scores and shirt quality that feels more like cardboard than cotton. Despite the heavy patriotic branding, customers say these items definitely weren't made in the US, which is a pretty bold move for a site wrapped in the flag. Next, let's talk about the website's age. libertyfaithgear.com was only registered in April 2025, making it newer than that mystery milk sitting in the back of your fridge. With absolutely no track record to speak of, trusting a brand new store like this is a massive gamble. Then we have the product images, which a quick reverse search reveals are about as original as a live, laugh, love sign. They've been lifted from all over the internet, leaving us to wonder if the actual products even exist in the physical realm or if they're just figments of a scammer's imagination. The red flags keep waving when it comes to their charitable claims. They boast about supporting breast cancer causes, but provide zero proof, no donation receipts, and no official partners. It seems faith is being used more as a marketing gimmick than a genuine mission, which is a special kind of tacky. Finally, we have the classic high-pressure sales tactics. Between the permanent discounts and the frantic, only 5% left pop-ups, the site screams desperation. If a store has to lie about its inventory to get you to click buy, it's probably because they know you'll regret it the moment you do. So, is libertyfaithgear.com legit? Looking at the fake images, the vague charity promises, and a domain name that's practically still in the packaging, the answer is a hard pass. This platform has more red flags than a lifeguard station in a hurricane, and shopping here is a one-way ticket to disappointment. My advice is to stay safe and keep your credit card far away from this site. Thanks for watching until the end, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest updates that actually tell it like it is.